Hey everyone, is your 4K video from CapCut lagging or stuttering after export? Yeah, that usually means your settings or device can't handle the heavy file. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix CapCut 4K export lag. First, make sure your device is powerful enough for 4K playback, so close background apps and free up memory before exporting. Next, open the export settings. Yeah, if the bitrate is extremely high, the video may lag during playback. Try lowering the bitrate just a little while, keeping good quality. Uh, Make sure your export frame rate matches your timeline. I mean, mixing frame rates can cause stutter, especially in 4K files. If available, turn on hardware acceleration in CapCut settings. Yeah, this helps your GPU handle heavy 4K encoding more smoothly. Before re-exporting again, try playing the video in another media player. So sometimes the lag comes from the player, not the export itself. If your device still struggles, exporting in full HD instead of 4K can give much smoother playback on lower end systems. And that's it. Your CapCut 4K export should now play smoothly without lag. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick editing tips.